Okay, guys, we're gonna rank Alice's squishies.
Okay, so first we're gonna order this cute little cactus one. I'm gonna show you this, but let's squish. Okay, I think it's pretty good. I actually like it. I rate this one a 5. Okay, guys, next we're gonna do the specs box. Let's squish. Okay, it's pretty good. This one's a little too hard. Like, a little squish daddy. So I'm gonna rate it a 7. No, a 6.8. Okay, guys, next we have this fake butter. Let's see.